So we are into Facebook, and you're wondering, can I be able to schedule in a specific post directly into Facebook? Well, the answer is actually a rotten yes. So to do this process, the first thing I wanted to do is to understand how does the actual Facebook works. So getting into Meta Business Suite. Meta Business Suite is, let's say, a way of how you can manage your both Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp if you already have one of those accounts. So if you wanted to create an actual post into Facebook, you want to be able to look out for the element that says schedule a post directly inside here. So what we need to do is to do this within the Meta Business Suite. And the process of that is because there's like a more professional way of how we can actually do this. To access the Meta Business Suite, I wanted to focus for business.facebook.com. Inside here, it will be asking you to sign in. So what you need to do is to get the actual access with the same Facebook account that you currently have. Once you are directly inside here into the upper left corner, you can see that here it will be appearing the element that says business portfolios. So directly here into business portfolio, what we wanted to do is to create a new business portfolio. So this is, for example, the easiest way to manage Facebook pages, Instagram account, and all of them in just one place. So give your business portfolio a name, enter your contact information such as your first, last name, business email, and go ahead and go for create. When you create your new business assets, your business portfolio, it will be asking you to enter some business assets. Business assets are the accounts that you would like to manage within the actual business portfolio. For example, let's say that this one. Inside this specific business portfolio, I wanted to make sure that we have now access directly into my business settings. I click directly inside here. Let's go for the left section that says users. I'm going to go for my business information. Here it is. You can start by entering all the information. Trust me, it might be taking a little bit of your time, but at the end of the day, basically it's going to be helping you with almost everything about Facebook, everything about Instagram, everything about WhatsApp. So if you focus into the element that says accounts, you can focus for pages where you can add your own pages from Facebook or create an actual new Facebook page. You can add an Instagram account or a WhatsApp account. The process actually is not that hard. Just hit into the element that says add. It will be asking you to enter your account, such as your passcode, and you're actually good to go. So once you have added your actual business element, it will be showing you that your Facebook is now ready into your business assets. So I'm going to go ahead and head back directly into my business section. So I select my business assets, which in this case is going to be this one. So inside here, what I need to do is to create a schedule post. So here I wanted to click into the element that says create an actual post. And the process actually is going to be exactly the same as you hit directly into the Facebook. So just choose to post to, and you can connect your Facebook account. In this case, I'm going to be using an actual page. You can select a media. I select this lighthouse, for example, and I choose this text. And I go for sometimes less is better. There we go. No button, no share to, no privacy settings. I'm going to focus for public, and this is the awesome part, the schedule element. So I'm going to set the date and the time. Let's say today at 4:26, because sometimes the active times actually works really fine. So let's go for this, save the schedule. And there we go. Basically, when you check out here the element of your planner, sometimes the planner will be showing you all the posts that you have scheduled. For example, here's from Friday. You can select this and reschedule if you wanted to. So you can change this from a specific elements. You can set up your new goals. You can go from the moments. There's the today button. There's notification, ad managers, and so much more. There's a lot of things to cover here, of course, into the Meta Business Suite. We can do a whole tutorial into how to use correctly the Meta Business Suite, but this is just a really easy tutorial how we can actually start making scheduled posts into your Facebook account. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You are into Easy Tech, and see you next time.